Yeah, hi guys. I've just done this little clip. Obviously that's the shape of the deck that you were proposing. It's slightly stepped in, um, which I can understand because of the TV on the other side. And you were talking about the roof following that shape, but it would end up with a funny little corner in there if that's what you were talking about. But personally, I think having these fins on either side, picture frame, or line up with the exterior of the upper, architecturally would look better. Um, I mean, at the moment, the height to boundary is not an issue. Um, at this point, it's just clearing this point, just clearing that point. So, yes, if you did step the roof in, you would have a bit more height to play with. But yeah, again, architecturally, I think it looks a bit odd the fact that it's slightly off to one side. But yeah, your call, I guess.